Hi everyone, this is JR and thank you for checking out this video. I just want to share with you how I have been making good extra money by doing an online work from home. I just started doing this about a month ago and so far I have been getting some extra cash flow since then. The internet marketing system I am using is the Instant Payday Network. This system offers a free and simple to follow training program which guides you to get into the program immediately. It also offers a free registration for you to get into the program. And it also offers free resources that you can use once you start using the program. Well, based on my personal experience, the bulk of the work that I do to be successful with this system is advertising. I do this online as well as outside by posting tier-off ads in different places in my city. And while this program offers free training and registration, I have to admit that I spent about $50 placing ads online at different classified websites. However, this money I spent has already been paid off with the money I have already generated. I do this part-time only and spend about 2 to 3 hours a day to publish and renew my ads online. And so far, I am quite happy with the results I am getting. So if you guys are interested to start making some extra money while at home, feel free to check out this proven internet marketing system by clicking the link below this video. Well, thanks so much and blessings to you all.